Welcome to DJ TV.
One Zimbabwe journalist don't reveal again say Peter Obi na win this past 2023 presidential election.
Correct people, we greet you now. Welcome now to DJ TV on our WhatsApp channel. Where the summer on with ogbonge updates, breaking news, updates. So I beg my people, if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una rush now, make una go subscribe, and also turn on that notification bell so that anytime we like say we drop any update like this, una go dey notified. Our Facebook page, my people, make una follow us and make una dey like. Una do well. Anyway, my people, make we quickly run enter the story and update we will carry come for una like this.
Yes, so my people, we don't come again with another ogbonge update like this. So not be small thing though. This issue of who win a presidential election, who not win though. E don dey rampart everywhere, no be small. One Zimbabwe journalist like this say don fall out like this, go reveal again like this say Peter Obi na win this past 2023 presidential election with better proof. My people, not be small. This journalist like this say if you see the way we be say he tell review this thing, not be small. Anyway, my people, I go leave una make una watch this video and listen to this analysis. So make una watch.
Now, I don't think Tinubu will ever forgive those who advised him to threaten Niger Republic. Because ever since he threatened to invade Niger, prominent figures from other African countries, anytime they want to discuss the Niger issue, they will start attacking Tinubu and questioning the legitimacy of his own government on their national TVs. First, it was on South African Broadcasting TV. Then, the Congolese journalist Vemba Fizo, while talking about the Niger issue, alluded to Tinubu's illegitimacy. Then 2 days ago, a Ghanaian socialist right on Ghanaian TV, while still discussing this Niger issue, questioned Tinubu's legitimacy. Now, a Zimbabwean writer and socialist took it to a whole new level. This one took it to a completely different level. This Zimbabwean, Joshua Mapunga, didn't only question Tinubu's election. He said, we know who won the election and we know who is in power. And to be completely honest with you, I am shocked at the level of recognition that His Excellency Peter Obi is enjoying amongst other African countries. I remember a video here where he was used as a model for Sierra Leone presidential candidates. Sierra Leone urged all their presidential candidates to be like Obi. And now, all the way from Zimbabwe, Joshua Mapunga is claiming that he knows who won the election, and anybody with a brain knows he's talking about Peter Obi. And the video provoked a lot of reactions because many Nigerians came and they said the video is a charge to the judiciary to do the right thing. They said if in faraway Zimbabwe, people know who won the election, then the judges that were in this country when everything took place cannot claim that they do not know, that the judges have no excuse to give a wrong judgment. But before I show you that video, let me quickly show you this video clip of Alex Oti, the only Labour Party governor, and how well he is doing in Abia State. As we speak, there are 9 road projects going on, and this is not the Nyesom Wike kind of project where they will quote 50 billion naira for a project that shouldn't cost more than 4 billion. This one is being done with transparency and accountability. Check out a video of when he went out himself to inspect the road projects.
Is to continue to be patient. You have been this patient up to now. Just a few more weeks and we'll deliver this road. So once again, I would like to say thank you. I want to also thank the ambassador of Hungary that came with me to inspect this road, together with the economic counselor, who are my guests, and they are discussing how to partner and support this thing so that we'll deliver on our promise to you. So I thank you, Dr. Cross, for finding time to be here. This is a very large community, probably the largest commercial city in the whole of the southeast. The good thing about is that it's not just a commercial city, it's also an industrial city. If you go to what area the market, you will be amazed. That's why I was talking about the shoemakers. joining us. I wish all of you a great weekend.
Ndeo, and that is Alex Oti there doing tremendous job in Abia State, and he was even begging the people to be patient, you know, because of the inconveniences that road construction and maintenance projects cause. He was begging the people to give the contractors just a little time to finish, and that is how you know a good leader. He is compassionate towards the people. And a friend of mine said, anytime he sees Alex Oti doing a good job, he thinks of Peter Obi in charge of Nigeria, and he gets emotional because he knows Obi is the man the country needs. And I say, well, we keep pushing, we keep praying, and we keep having all our eyes on the judiciary, hoping for the best. Now, on to the video of the Zimbabwean author and socialist Joshua Maponga talking about Tinubu. Check it out.
Nigeria, you can't be saying that is a big brother, that you're going to be putting Niger in sanctions and you're going to be cutting off their electricity because they are an illegitimate government. We know this rubbish by now, the honorable president of Nigeria. You're still struggling to get recognized yourself. So don't make it more complicated. We know who won the elections and we know who is in power. Now you get up on air and begin to talk like, hey, this is a compromise of democracy.
Wow, wow. You have heard him. And that was Joshua Maponga from Zimbabwe. He said, Nigeria, you can't be claiming to be a big brother who will put Nigeria in sanctions and cut off their electricity, claiming that their government is illegitimate. He said, we know all your rubbish by now, President of Nigeria. You are still struggling to be recognized yourself. He said, so don't complicate things. Don't make things complicated. Because that same illegitimacy that you are trying to fight, you are also guilty of it. Then he hits the bull's eye by saying, we know who won the elections and we know who is in power. Hey! So the knowledge of what Yakub Mahmoud did on the 25th of February 2023 has spread across the whole of Africa like a virus. Now, in other news, ECOWAS issued an ultimatum to the military that took over in Niger. They said they had until Sunday the 6th of August 2023 to hand over power back to the civilian president, President Bazoum. Now, few hours to the end of that ultimatum, on Sunday precisely, the people of Niger Republic gathered themselves in thousands for their stadium and began to throw support for the military government that took over. Look at the video here. Wow, you have seen it. One thing is sure, these military guys have no plans of backing down. Let's see how Nigerians reacted to this development. This tweet says, now I see that ECOWAS is not fighting for the democracy of the people, but for the protection of their evil politicians. As official Bat is doing what he's doing because he is afraid of being attacked by the military because his government is illegitimate. The Nigerians are happy, so leave them. Oh. And this tweet says, Peter Obi said he will fight poverty beginning from the north. Tinubu wants to fight a war beginning from the north. And this one said, Asari will do the needful. MC Oluomo and his boys are back up. And this tweet says, Asari Dokubo should brace up. No more talking. He should go and finish them like flies. And those are some of the tweets there mocking APC thugs, MC Oluomo and Asari Dokubo, asking them to come and intervene in what is happening between ECOWAS and Niger Republic. But all that is Niger Republic's problem. It doesn't concern me. I don't have a business with that. If no be Tinubu, we carry out for head. All that matters to me is the recovery of the mandate of His Excellency Peter Obi. And I keep saying it. Ample evidence have been placed before the courts, and we are saying all eyes on the judiciary. All eyes on the judiciary.
Yes, so my people, now the journalists be this, so the Zimbabwe journalists we don't reveal again say Peter Obi win this past presidential election. My people wanna visit this home, I wanna see am. Make una drop on a comment or make una don't forget to like and share. DJ